Okay, gandang umaga, gandang tanghali, gandang hapon, gandang gabi sa ating mga kamaharlika, ka-vibes, ka-vlog, kadiwa, mga katoto, kabakas. We're here. It still is June. It's June 8. June 8 ma'am ngayon, ano? It's June 8, 2026, sa Monday, the first day of class 2 mga public school, sa mga public schools. So, sa mga estudyante, aral mabuti para meron kayong pagtanda ninyo, sabi nga nila, may maganda kang matatrabaho. Pero ako, I believe that mag-aral ka mabuti, to improve yourself, and in the future, maraming magagamit mo yung mga pinag-aralan mo, definitely. Okay, so we're here right now at Max Restaurant, JRU. It's katabi siya near JRU. It's near Hypermart, and we're here to pick up, no, it's June 8, 2026, Monday, 9:30 a.m. and we're going to pick up the laundry of Max, JRU at Max Restaurant. And nandito sa kanila ko nakikita itong bouquet vanilla. So it's a bouquet, so kung meron kayong anniversary, may nililigawan kayo, okay, maganda yung rose, maganda yung tulip, maganda yung mga bulaklak bouquet. Pero ito, it's edible kasi cake siya na bouquet. So you could also request for the message. Pwede mo, no, lagyan ng message to, itong heart. So it's a vanilla message cake. Regular is $5.95, mini is $375. So ito talaga mukhang bouquet kasi ayan, no, meron pa siyang ano tawag dito, Sir Justin? Meron siyang parang bulaklak, naka-wrap siya. Yun, naka-wrap siya. So ito message cake kasi merong space. Ito buong cake mukhang rose. So pulang rose, pink or violet rose, peach. Ito peach na rose. And then ito is the large cake. The regular cake is $795. It's very affordable. It's very affordable. Bouquet vanilla cream cake. The mini is $525. So dito naman, triple treat cake. Okay, mukhang may chocolate, mukhang may coffee. So the regular is also $750. And then you have the mocha message cake. Regular is still $750. So pare-pareha siya. Now 30%. Ma'am, yung 30% off, lahat yan? Ito lang chocolate. Si Choco message cake is 30% off. Si mocha message cake, wow, looks delectable, mouth-watering. Triple treat cake. So if you want to treat your special someone, your family, your special someone, girlfriend, your wife, your enemies, para bumait sa'yo, bouquet vanilla cream cake is the best gift. It's made with vanilla chiffon cake with strawberry cream filling, cream cheese frosting, and edible buttercream tulips. Max Corner Bakery. So perfect for your loved ones. Definitely perfect for your loved ones here at Max's JRU and in all Max's fried chicken outlet restaurant. So that's about it. Our vlog sa Max's JRU here at Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. It's near JRU, Jose Rizal University, and SM Hypermart. So there's already a build-up of traffic because it's the first day of class, and it's already 9. It's almost 10 o'clock. And wow, ayun yung aking favorite na kotse, the BYD 7-seater. Ayan. ano yan, dalawa daw variant yan, the advance and the premium. The difference is that the advance is ayun, traffic, medyo traffic because of the truck and because of the truck that is going out of the parking area, so nagka-traffic, pero moderately moving. Okay, so that ends our vlog here at Max's Fried Chicken. Okay, so pick up tayo ng laundry ni Max Fried Chicken. So this is what I do. Ay, mali, naka-on na pala. So this is what I do every day. Pick up, deliver, pick up, deliver, and that's what keeps me going and going. Keeps me going and going is my clients, satisfying, delighting my clients. Ay, see, ay ma'am, pwede pong ayun si Sir Justin. Sir Justin, meron na kayong kopya? Na-picturean nyo na? Na-picturean na, okay. Thank you, Sir Justin. Si mami ang hapon at this afternoon naman di-deliver kayo na pick up ko nung minsan. Okay, thank you. So this is the mga snack bar. Ensaymada, sharing pack, cake slice, confetti pieces, or meringue, siguro to meringue, the caramel biscotti, the mallows, choco crinkles, lady fingers, and then the condiments, banana ketchup, Max Worcester, and hot sauce, Max Condi Trio, only 138 pesos. And then the classic caramel bar, I like, my favorite, yung caramel bar, sarap-sarap niyan. So, and 30% off on this area is the ensaymada, cheese, yema, and choco. Cream cheese and assorted. Wow! Cream cheese and assorted. Perfect gift this Christmas. 235 only or 210 for the cheese, yema, and choco. Meron ako pang re-regalo sa Pasko. Itong classic bar at saka itong ensaymada sharing pack. At saka loaf cake. Meron siyang loaf cake. Ayun. And polvoron. Polvoron for the mga balikbayan, this is Best Buy. Ang mga balikbayan, yan ang binibili. Merong cookies and cream, merong, okay, pinipig polvoron. Okay. So, alis na tayo. Na-pick up na natin ang laundry. Back to base. Back to Save Wash Laundry Center HQ. Back to base tayo.